Here's the translated version of your detailed iPhone 16 Pro Max 1 processor, A18 Pro chip. It utilizes advanced architecture to improve both performance and efficiency. This processor is powerful in handling graphics and AI, making it ideal for advanced gaming and 4K video editing. It also supports recording video at 4K 120 FPS. 2. Battery. The battery offers extended life, lasting up to 29 hours of video playback. It supports fast charging via USB-C, allowing it to charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Additionally, the battery is made from 100% recycled cobalt, aligning with Apple's sustainability goals. 3. Water and dust resistance. The device is rated IP68, making it resistant to water up to a depth of 6 meters for 30 minutes. It's also resistant to dust, though the resistance may decrease over time. 4. Design and durability. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a robust design made from titanium, making it more durable and lighter compared to previous models. It also features a ceramic shield on the front, providing enhanced protection against drops. 5. Cameras. The 48-megapixel primary camera comes with a faster sensor and an advanced autofocus system. It allows for professional-grade photography with a 5x optical zoom and ProRes 4K video recording, offering comprehensive control over colors and editing. The ultra-wide and telephoto cameras also provide excellent performance for wide-angle and close-up shots. 6. Buttons and control panel. The phone features traditional volume control buttons and side buttons for powering the device. It supports a haptic feedback system, enhancing the tactile interaction with the system. 7. Audio. It offers spatial audio technology, improving sound quality with immersive surround sound. The phone also features 4 studio-quality microphones for high-quality audio recording, reducing wind noise. 8. Memory. Available in several storage options, with capacities reaching up to 1 terabyte, providing ample space for apps, photos, and videos. 9 advantages. Durable and stylish design with eco-friendly materials. Powerful performance with the A18 Pro chip. Professional-grade cameras with high resolution. Long battery life. High water and dust resistance. 10. Disadvantages. High price compared to other smartphones. Relatively heavy due to the materials used for durability. Water and dust resistance may degrade over time. Conclusion. The iPhone 16 Pro Max combines powerful performance and exceptional durability, making it ideal for users who need a versatile device with high-end photography and speed. However, its high price may put it out of reach for some users.